Locked out of using your shiny new Apple Pay because your card hasn't been verified yet? Don't worry, we'll get you spending in no time. First, unlock your iPhone and locate the Wallet app. It usually looks like a colorful card icon, often found on your home screen. Tap the Wallet app to open it. You'll see all the cards you've added. Find the card that needs verification. It will usually have a small notification icon, like an exclamation point or a message, next to it. Tap on that card. You should see a message prompting you to verify the card. This message will explain why verification is needed and provide options to complete the process. One common method is to contact your bank. Tap the Call Bank option if available. This will usually initiate a call directly from your iPhone to your bank's customer service line. Be prepared to answer security questions to confirm your identity. Another common method is using a one-time code. If you see an option like Verify with Code or Enter Verification Code, tap it. The code will be sent to you via SMS, text message, or email, depending on your bank's settings. Check your text messages or email for the verification code from your bank. Make sure the sender is actually your bank. Enter the verification code carefully into the provided field in the Wallet app. Double-check that you've entered it correctly before submitting. After submitting the code or completing the bank call, the app should confirm that your card is now verified. You're ready to tap and pay securely using Apple Pay.